Hi students, today we are going to learn the new lesson, the roasted beans. It is 11th lesson, the roasted beans. What is mean by roasted? Roasted means varutha. In Tamil we can say varukkurathu. Without oil we can fry, right? Yes, cooked over a fire or in an oven. Okay, oven. This is roasted beans. Okay, the roasted beans. Okay, see reading junction. Now take book page number 99. Let us now learn some interesting facts about coffee. What we are going to learn today? Coffee beans. Okay, coffee kotta. Okay, yes. Centuries ago in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is the country. See, centuries ago. Centuries means 100 years. Okay, what is mean by century? 100 years. Okay, 100 years ago, centuries ago in Ethiopia, Kurdi, a goat herder discovered coffee. See, goat herder. What is mean by goat herder? Goat means we know. Goat means aadu. Herder is the who can manage. Okay, who can maintain that goat. Okay, மேய்ப்பன் சொல்லுவோம். It's shepherd, like shepherd. Okay, herder, ஆடு மேய்க்கிறவங்க. Discovered coffee. See, who found the coffee bean? Yes, goat herder. He found that after eating the fruits from a coffee plant, his goats could not sleep all night. How he can find that? One day he go with his goat. At that time, his goat all eat all the coffee plants in the area of coffee plants. Before that they didn't know it is coffee plant. Yes, so that as usual the goat is going somewhere and eating something. At that time, on that night, in the same day night, the goat is not sleeping. Okay, so that from that only he found that if we drink coffee means we not get sleepy mood. Yes, so he found that it is a coffee bean. Okay, see, he found that after eating the fruits from a coffee plant, his goat could not sleep all night. அன்னைக்கு அந்த காஃபி பிளான்ட்டை சாப்பிட்டதுனால அந்த கோட்டெல்லாம் அன்றைக்கி நைட்டு ஃபுல்லாக தூங்கலையாம். அதுலேருந்து தான் காஃபி குடித்தா நம்ம தூங்க மாட்டோம், கொஞ்சம் பிரிஸ்காக இருப்போம் அப்படிங்கிறத கண்டுபிடிச்சி காஃபி பிளான்ட்டை கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காரு. ஓகேவா, காஃபி பீனா. ஓகே, சி நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டான்ஸா, நெக்ஸ்ட் பேராகிராஃப். த காஃபி பிளான்ட் ஹேஸ் a rough and whitish bark. It grows around 6 to 12 feet high. See, the coffee plant has a rough and whitish bark. It is looks rough, very rough. தொட்டு பார்த்தா அப்படி ஹார்டாக இருக்கும். And whitish bark, white கலரில் இருக்கும். Okay, it grows around 6 to 12 feet high. How much height it is? Yes, 6 feet. 6 feet means it is comparing to a man. Okay, above that 6 to 12 feet. 6 இருந்து 12 feet height. Okay, it is feet high. The most important part of the plant is the coffee bean. அந்த coffee plantலே ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது என்னதுன்னா அந்த விதை. Okay, coffee bean. It is found inside the fruit of the plant. Yes, every seed is found inside the that fruit only, right? Yes, fruit of the plant. When the blossoms, see, blossoms means it is a new word, flower. Okay, when the blossoms of the coffee plant fall off, a small green fruit grows in its place. See, when the flower, ஒரு பூ அதிலிருந்து கீழே விழுந்தா கூட அதிலிருந்து புது செடி முளைச்சி வரும் காஃபி பிளான்ட் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும். ஓகே, a small green fruit grows in its place. It becomes dark red as it ripens. Ripens means it is பழுக்கிறது. Okay, see, it becomes dark, நல்லா dark red கலரில் ஆகும். அப்படின்னா என்ன ஆகிட்டுன்னு அர்த்தம்? பழுத்துட்டுன்னு அர்த்தம். லைக் a cherry, we know cherry fruit, right? Yes, it is like a tomato but it is in small size, right? Like that it looks. Okay, it tastes very good, and also it tastes, if we eat that fruit means it tastes is very good. The coffee bean is the seed of this fruit. Okay, the coffee bean, that bean is the seed of this fruit. It is discovered by its pulp. Each fruit contains 2 seeds. One fruit, how many seeds is there in the coffee plant? Coffee fruit, it is 2 seeds. Okay, see, the seeds are rounded on one side and flat on the other side. See, the seed is like round in one side and flat in other side. ஒரு side round இருக்கும், இன்னொரு side flat இருக்கும். Flats, the seeds lie with the flat sides together. When the fruits are ripe, they are plucked by hands. எப்போ அது பழுக்குதோ அதை நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சிடணும், கையை வச்சு பறிச்சிடணும். The seeds are then separated from the fruits. Then we want to open the fruit, then take the seeds. Okay, we want to separate the seeds from the fruit. Okay, next page number 100. Before the seed can be used, it is roasted. அந்த சீடை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன செய்யணும், roasted. Roasted means வறுக்கணும். Roasted, see the meaning for roasted, cooked over a fire or in an oven. Okay, during roasting it produces a lot of aromatic oil. Aromatic oil means see the word aromatic, smelling good, வாசனை. Okay, நறுமணம். See அந்த bean, அந்த coffee bean fry பண்ணும்போது without oil, if we dry fry means at that time the smell is very good. Okay, the more the oil released, the higher is the market value of the coffee. See, எந்த இதில் வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்மெல் நல்லா வருதோ அதே நேரத்தில் ரொம்ப ஆயில். ஓகே, இஃப் வி dry fry the peanut, for example, if we dry fry the peanut or anything means some oil is come out, right? Yes, like this, in this coffee bean also the oil is coming out. Okay, oil release, the higher market, எதிலிருந்து என்ன பிரிஞ்சு வருதோ அந்த இதுக்கெல்லாம் நல்ல மார்க்கெட்டில் நல்ல ரூபா வேல்யூ உண்டு. ஓகே, மணி வேல்யூ, market value of the coffee. After the coffee is roasted, it is ground into fine powder. Okay, when the coffee bean is roasted, after that what they can do? Yes, they can put it grind it. Okay va, grind and make it into a fine powder மாதிரி அப்படி திரிச்சு எடுத்துருவாங்க. Once it is roasted and ground, it loses its aroma very quickly. Okay, once it is roasted, அதை ரோஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டோனாலே அதோட வாசனை அப்படியே வெளியே என்ன செஞ்சிடும், குறைய ஆரம்பிச்சிடும் very quickly. The Republic of Yemen produces one of the finest coffee varieties in the world. உலகத்திலேயே Republic of Yemen, okay, produces the finest na good coffee, fine coffee in the world, in the whole world. It is called Mocha. Okay, Republic of Yemen. Republic of Yemen found what coffee? Mocha. Okay, Mocha, it is called Mocha. The Java coffee from the East Indies is also very popular. Okay, from East Indies can find the coffee what? Java coffee. It is also very popular. Okay, Java coffee ங்கிறதும் ரொம்ப பாப்புலர், ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸ் ஆனது. These beans are quite difficult to obtain. Rio coffee from South America, and from the South America, what is the coffee is discovered here? Yes, Rio coffee. Okay, Rio coffee. Okay, Rio coffee from South America is easily available. இது வந்து ஈஸியா எல்லா இடத்துலயும் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா, it is one of the finest superb coffee in whole the world. And East Indies Java coffee is very popular coffee, and South America Rio coffee is, it is very easily we can get. Okay, it is easily available for us and is consumed. See, consumed means drunk. Okay, consumed by most people in Europe and Africa. This coffee, okay, Rio coffee is it is easily available, and also in Europe and America they mostly drink this coffee only. In India, in our country, okay, India, coffee is produced in Kerala. Okay, in India, where are the places the coffee is produced? India, what are the places? Yes, Kerala, Next, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Northeast. Okay, these are the places the coffee bean is produced. Okay, we in this class we learn about the coffee. Okay, from the who found this coffee? Yes, goat herder. He how he found this? Because his goat after eating that coffee plant, that goats are not sleep in the same night. So that from that only he can find that what? Yes, it is the best thing to we can get fresh. Yes, like that he found that. And also we learned about the coffee bean, from the fruit it is coming. Yes, it is like a cherry, and also the top is round, and the other side of the seed is in flat shape. And when we get roast it, it can spread the aroma. Aroma means it is good smell. And also if the more oil is released, means it is high market value. It has high market value. And also we can learn Republic of Yemen introduce the coffee, what? Mocha means it is the world famous thing. And East Indies found Java coffee, it is also popular. And South America found the Rio coffee, it is very easily we can buy. And also Europe and America also use this only. And in India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Northeast are producing the coffee beans. From this lesson we learn the history of coffee, right? Yes, now we are going to do the true or false. Okay, let us find the answers from the text. Write T for true and F for false. The bark of the coffee plant is whitish in color. Yes, already we learned is, yes, in the second paragraph. See, the coffee plant has a rough and whitish bark. So it is white in color. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. First one is true. For that we want to put T. Okay, next second one. The fruit of the coffee plant is like cherries. Yes, already we learned, right? Like the cherry fruit, the coffee fruit is also like that. So it is true. Okay, next third one. The whole fruit is used to make coffee. The whole fruit is used to make coffee? No, only the seed of the fruit only used to make coffee. So it is false. So we want to put F. Next fourth one. Indian coffee is the finest coffee in the world. Is this Indian coffee is the finest coffee in the world? No. Which is the finest coffee? Republic of Yemen. Mocha is the coffee. It is the very finest coffee in the world. So it is false. Okay. So now your homework time. You want to learn synonyms, antonyms and true or false. Learn and write synonyms, antonyms and true or false. This is your homework. Okay students, I hope you all learn this topic. Thank you students.